puts Papatūānuku first. It sort of puts the values that we have as Māori into reality. There are practical things that we can do.
We're doing worm farming at the moment. Really interesting. We're at the site in Kāwhia looking at the worm farming down here.
So the worms go in here, and then you have our cover, so we've got old coffee sacks, but anything like a carpet or newspaper on top, because they're usually under the ground.
Here you go, guys. Enjoy your condominium.
To me, what's special about it is that it's just bringing people together in a Māori setting, being Māori and talking about these values of caring for Ranginui and Papatūānuku and what that honestly looks like.
I make my own toothpaste, deodorant, things that you use to clean your shower and clean your toilet. It's very, very cheap, and also it looks after our tile. There's this beautiful marketing out there that says things like antiperspirant and 48 hours protection. Why have a product that's got 100 ingredients in it that you can't even decipher what it is? We don't have to be scientists to know that these things aren't good for us.
And it's our responsibility to keep Mother Earth clean and beautiful. It's an on the ground thing. It's not about politicians and all those big time people. It's about ordinary people doing ordinary things, looking after what's around them so that the place is a nicer place to live in. And it's parakore.
We've got 220 marae signed up to the Parakore program, but that number also includes some kura, some kohanga reo and organisations all working at reducing waste. There's stories of marae after a hui having 10 bags of rubbish to going down to 1 bag of rubbish.
So finding flex roots, grassroots, community responses on how we take back control over our lives, I think is an important thing.
Parakore makes up a part of a lifestyle. It's like a political movement, it's an environmental movement. I want my kids to inherit a world and a lifestyle that is thriving and surrounded by good values like manaakitanga, naroha, tiaki, whether that's to tiaki tangata or tiaki Papatūānuku. Parakore just sits in those ideas as quite a holistic sort of a thing, I think.